Will always be comparison between yourselves and the Scatterlights, and band of that ilk.
Well, I mean, to be honest with you, they were the people that inspired us. So there's nothing wrong to be compared with them because they were the people that made that music, that interpreted that music that we heard, that inspired us to make this. So there's nothing wrong with that, really. There's nothing wrong. It's a great honor, to be honest with you.
And there's a strong leaning towards the jazz side of the music. Tell me about that.
Well, ska, in real terms, is Jamaican jazz. So if you listen to ska, the top lines, solos and that are jazz-based. It's just the rhythm of Jamaica that is behind it. So you'll have Afro jazz, you'll have Afro-Cuban jazz, you'll have all different forms of jazz. But ska is Jamaican jazz. So the top lines would be ska, because this music is coming from like Louisiana originally, way back, And so it's jazz music, but with the beat of Jamaica.
And I guess from the eldest to the youngest, and the youngest and newest member of the Skatroniks Jamaica is trumpeter Jay Phelps.
My name is Jay Phelps and I play the trumpet in Skatroniks Jamaica.
You have the privilege of being the youngest in the band.
I do, in fact, yeah.
Tell me about that.
Well, I get to learn great lessons from these gentlemen here. I've been with them since I've been about 20, I think it is. And so, it's been a great learning curve for me, getting to know this style of music and from the root of it as well, because they're right in it, So it's been a great experience for me coming over from Canada to this country and being involved in the music in such a high, artful way. So I really enjoy playing with these.
I think you've been thrown in at the deep end. Are you swimming all right?
Oh yeah, I'm trying to swim. Of course, I'm swimming. I do what I can. I get my ass beat by the other horn section guys. They can play and they all can play. They're all like father figures to me, sort of. So, I really enjoy it.
style of music is quite different to what you're used to, I understand.
It is in a way. I mean, but it all comes from the same place. That's the thing. This music, it all is rooted from the swing era of jazz and you know, bebop comes from that, and so, you know, it all is entwined in the same sort of thing. So if you have like the right feel to go along with it, you can kind of adapt yourself.
And I noticed that you bounce off of the other guys, the other brass players.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, you know, if you listen to them, they're like the underdogs of this country. I would say both Brian and Trevor Edwards. They're amazing. And I learn every single time I hear them. I learn so much, so it's a real privilege for me to be with them.
And of course, Skatroniks Jamaica features two of the very celebrated brass players in the country. We're talking about brothers Trevor and Brian Edwards. Trevor Edwards plays trombone, Brian Edwards plays saxophone, and between them they've played with a who's who of the music business, and of course played with people such as the Wailers, Aswad, the Redskins, John Holt, Ernest Ranglin, Gregory Isaacs, and Lily Allen. Trevor Edwards, who has a background in theatre land playing, he's been there playing in plays such as Ain't Misbehaving, and of course the Buddy Holly story.
My name is Alan Weeks, guitarist with Skatroniks Jamaica.
Hello, my name is Robert Ward and I play trombone with Skatroniks.
Hi, I'm Brian Edwards and I play the tenor saxophone with Skatroniks Jamaica.
Musical I've been blessed, as you say, to have played and still playing with some of the greats of our music, whether it's Freddie, Gregory. I came through King Sounds as well, you know, the Israelites, and that was a great part where I got a lot of schooling as far as music and, you know, playing with great musicians as well as studios and engineers, singers and players basically, because we did a lot of work in Jamaica. I learned a lot through that as well. And you must listen. Listening is the key, really, because we're playing music by ear as well, you know, but listening is the key, and also to absorb and respect. We must respect the genre. You must respect, because you have a lot of musicians that say, oh, it's only reggae, but they can't really play it. Brian Edwards on saxophone and Trevor Edwards on trombone. They took up their horns after hearing Skatalites as kids. That's what inspired them to take up their trombone and saxophone. They are great exponents of all forms of music, you know, but as far as playing, because you'll have people that can play music, but to play this genre, ska, right? You can play ska, you can play jazz, you can play reggae, but to play this genre and to play it with the authenticity of what you'd have heard like Tony McCook and Roland Alfonso and, you know, all these people play, how they would play it to deliver the solos. They are truly authentic in delivering. So they are great musicians, exponents of the music.
I must say, I remember watching people like Lester Sterling,
Yes.
you know, play, and in some ways they remind me of Lester Sterling and even Tommy McCook.